Hey guys, today, let's learn how to clear the watch history on YouTube. So if you guys want to go ahead and clear your watch history on the YouTube applications, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, what we need to do first, in order for us to accomplish this, is to launch the YouTube application. And what you need to do, to tap on your library right here. Next, let's tap on history right here. Tap on view all. Basically, all we need to do to clear our YouTube watch history is to tap on this 3 dots on the top right corner of the screen. And let's tap on clear all watch history. As you see, that's how we could easily clear the watch history. Just go ahead and confirm, as you see on your screens, like so. And that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys would learn something. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.